You know, it was raining just a minute ago. Now I got 60-mile-an-hour winds and snow. And it's crazy. The ground was just showing about 20 minutes ago. There's Rick's car. See if you can hear that wind. Seems to calm down right now. Stuff looks like fog going by. There's the wind. Oh shit, pushing the door. It's coming back at me now. Can you hear that?